drop of the Fear of God Essentials collection this past week, we are going to be talking about the actual quality of the Essentials collection. I'm going to show you a few of my favorite pieces, and we're going to determine if it's worth your hard-earned money to purchase the Fear of God Essentials pieces. So we are going to be going over the price, quality, and fit of the Fear of God Essentials collection to see if it's worth it for you to stand in line, stalk the websites for the drops, and even pay resale for some of these Fear of God pieces. We'll also go over some great Fear of God alternatives if you are not a fan of the prices or just the pieces in general. So first, let's talk about the Fear of God pieces themselves. Now, the Essentials collection is basically just an off-brand of the mainline Fear of God collection. And they're pretty much designed to bring you that Fear of God look without the mainline brand prices. They're gonna have pretty much the same exact cuts, designs, and aesthetic of the mainline brand, which is why it's so sought after. But there is a reason that it is called the Essentials collection. It's because they're not gonna have those crazy, innovative, stylish, new pieces that the mainline brand has. This is mainly meant to be your everyday essentials like t-shirts, sweatshirts, sweatpants, shorts. Now let's talk about the prices of the Essentials collection. For the most part, the prices are not that bad. T-shirts range anywhere from 40 to 50 bucks for a short sleeve or for a long sleeve, depending on if it has a graphic or not, if it has just a plain logo on the back or nothing at all. 40 to 50 bucks is usually where the t-shirts are gonna sit. Now when you get into the hoodies and the sweatpants, that's when things start to get a little bit more expensive. The hoodies, pullovers, crew necks, and sweatpants usually are sitting around the $90 mark. But when we move down into the sweat shorts or the mesh basketball shorts, those are gonna be sitting around $70. Now for the most part, those prices are not that bad. I think they're very reasonable for sweatshirts, for t-shirts, shorts, and crew neck pullovers, all that good stuff. Those aren't bad prices at all. But it gets a little bit more pricey when you move into the higher quality pieces like the denims, the denim jackets, the jeans. Those are gonna be around $200 or more. Now let's talk about the quality. To be totally transparent with you guys, the quality is decent. It's not bad, it's not fantastic, it's right down the middle. It is just okay. I definitely think there are pieces within the collection that are much more higher quality than the others, especially some of the newer t-shirts and sweatshirts. I think those are a little bit nicer than the original Essentials collection that dropped about a year and a half ago. I think they've upped the quality on these pieces a little bit. To be totally honest, I think the quality of this collection could be improved, but again, it is meant to be your everyday essentials, so for that, it's not that bad. All right, next up, we're gonna talk about the fit. The fit of the Essentials collection has to be the best part. The fit of the Essentials collection is very reminiscent of the Fear of God mainline brand, which is why it is so sought after. People want that look, people want the Fear of God look, but they don't want to pay the mainline price for it. This collection does that very, very well. And not only that, there are a lot of pieces in this collection that I thought I would never be able to pull off. Like the baggy sweatpants, I thought those were never gonna work for me because baggy pants do not look good on me at all. But I tried them, I love them, and they ended up being one of my favorite pieces from the last drop. Now begs the ultimate question. Is it worth buying? Is the Essentials collection worth your hard-earned cash? Yes! Absolutely, 100% it is worth it for you. If you like the Fear of God look, if you like that aesthetic, these pieces are definitely worth your purchase. Again, they're basic, they're simple, they're your everyday wear and tear items like t-shirts, sweatshirts, pants, shorts. There's nothing crazy about them, but they will give you that Fear of God aesthetic look, which a lot of people are going for. And if you're not into the prices, you think the prices might be a little bit too high for you, there are plenty of alternatives out there like Minimal, Target's new streetwear brand, H&M, much more. You can go to a lot of different places and find oversized t-shirts these days. But one of the best things about the newest version of the Essentials collection is that you get that brand recognition. It actually says Fear of God on it now, which it never said before. So it's nice to have that brand recognition. People will know what you're wearing. And again, it's not a bad price. So if you're into this look, then the Essentials collection is definitely worth it for you. All right guys, so before we close out today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. They make this watch, they make this necklace, they make all of my favorite jewelry pieces, and for the month of April, they are having a big birthday sale. Everything on the website is heavily discounted for you. If you click on the link in the description of this video, it will take you to our rose gold and black landing page where I have hand selected my favorite pieces that I think that you will dig. They're also doing free shipping worldwide, which they never do, so definitely want to take advantage of that. Head over to Rose Gold and Black, check them out, find some of the pieces that you love, and let them know who sent you. All right guys, and that wraps it up for today's video. If you made it this far, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment section down below. Let me know what videos you would like to see next, and I will do my absolute best to make those for you. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below, turn on your notifications so you can see when I post a video next, and I will see you guys next week. I'm out.
I just like the sound.